How to use and redeem PayPal gift card online. Hi everyone, this is Kate from Create, Login and Delete. Now without any further ado, let's jump into this video. First of all, launch the PayPal application in a mobile device, or else you can go through the web browser through the paypal.com and follow the same steps on here. So open up the PayPal application, and once you open it up, make sure that you're logged in with your PayPal account. Now from this home page, navigate to the wallet by tapping on the wallet option from the bottom right corner. Once you get to wallet, first of all, you have to add your credit or debit card. So tap on this option that says add credit cards. A pop-up box will appear in your interface. From there, tap on debit and credit card. Now tap on enter your card info. Now here, first of all, you have to verify your device, and then it will ask to enter the information regarding your card. So first of all, type in your card name. Under that, type in your expiration date of your card, and next to that you have to enter your CVV number. That's basically your security code number of your card. And under that you will have your billing address, which is provided by automatically scanning your location. Or else if you like to scan your card, there is scan button at the top right corner. You can use that as well. After that, tap on link card, and once you have link card, and if you go to the wallet section, there you will be able to find the gift card option. Tap on it, and after that it will ask you to enter your gift card information. After you enter your gift card information, and once you have verified, now you can redeem the gift card. The amount on your gift card will be redeemed to your PayPal, and you can use that money to buy anything worth the amount in your gift card through the PayPal. So that's the way to use and redeem PayPal gift card online, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.